everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be the second episode of Raw Study Blog. So in this video I will be attending my online classes as usual, and then I will share some of the tips and tricks for current 12th graders. So if you liked today's video, then don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I started off with completing the last lecture of solid state, and I was also writing my notes side by side so that I will not have any backlogs in completing notes. Also, I am very proud of myself because I am not having any type of backlogs. Like I have DPPs and module ka backlog, but it's another thing. But I don't have any lectures backlogs, so I am very happy. But at the same time, I am also worried because my schools are going to start very soon, and I am afraid because I will not get very much time after completing my school. And yes, we will somehow manage this. So before starting, I am also a fresher for 12th grade, and I am also struggling and finding ways. But some of the most important points are: first, please don't have backlogs. I know many of us are studying from online coachings, and backlogs is the main problem of online coaching. But always try to finish the lecture at least the day itself, so it won't be an extra pressure for you. Second point is, try to make the notes side by side during the lecture. So the third point is, don't go for many books, like just solve the DPP module, then any previous year questions, and yeah, that's all. Please don't go for different types of book. It will just consume your time. So try to complete the basic requirements. The last point is, please stay away from distractions. Just leave them for 1 year, then you will be sorted. You will be in your dream college, and then you can watch infinite series and movies. So if you are bored, then watch motivational podcast and try to listen to some calm music. Walk for some time, then practice yoga, or talk to your parents, or go watch TV for half an hour. And yes,